I want to flex my love, I want to impress, and I want to carry my love away.
Hello my people. I don't bring another tori come. I don't know what time it be for your side, but anytime it be good afternoon, good morning, good evening, and I take greet you. This story when I bring come so today na tori from my husband and wife where they dey for house. My name na Bibi. If you just dey join this channel, I beg make you subscribe now. Subscribe so that this channel go dey move. I beg you. Now subscribe. Now your matter take come, woman matter. You will be say man marry you keep for house. You and the man when I don't turn mates. You don't turn champion. He don't turn John Cena. You don't turn Randy Orton. Now there when they fight. You don't turn your house to house where organo fit stay. Your husband go return for work 5 o'clock. He go enter garden go sit down till 11:30 before he come house. When he enter, he go just climb bed sleep. Next morning before 5 a.m. he don't run come out for house. You dey sit down. Your heart dey sweet you say you don't turn jumbo. You don't turn oga for house. Now you dey make your husband make it dey feel uncomfortable for house. Now you don't turn champion for house. I dey pity you. I dey pity you. Now pity I dey pity you. Wetin you dey do now yourself you dey do. You know they do your oga. You know they do your husband. A lot of una don't dey like this. Now friends they advise una. Friend go tell you, my husband no fit try that nonsense. If he try, I no go give am food. My husband no fit try that nonsense. If he try, I no open legs for him. My husband no fit. They deceive you. Ma tell you something. Pikin wey say mama no go sleep, he no go sleep. You when talk say your husband no go rest, you no go rest. And at the end of the day, they go abandon you, go marry another wife. And nothing you go do in Africa. All these our men with the Africa, they entitled to so many wives. Our African tradition allow them to marry 1, 2, 3 wives. Even if you like, make you go do anything where you want to vex. At the end of the day, it's a man. That's them they stay for. What be the one when be say no matter what happen, you don't go feel humble yourself. Call your husband, make una sit down talk. You go say your husband they do you anyhow. Your husband know they treat you well. I tell you, one of the reasons why we say some men know they treat women well, now because a woman is supposed to be feminine. You are supposed to be a woman. But when you turn yourself to a man, your husband talk 1, you talk 3. Your husband talk 1, you talk 5. Your husband talk 1, you talk 10. It means say you don't turn man. A man know the pamper man. Man they harden on fellow men. If you want be woman, may you be woman, may you dey feminine. You no go pass you, may you cry, make you beg and may you tell and say, no be like this that they do and wetin in they do, you know they okay. If you do that, they no comot one hair from your head. Now you be woman, you're supposed to submit to your husband. It's even in the word of God. A lot of una don't do una husbands no dey gree return home again. They don't go get one woman outside. That woman they pamper them. Honey, how you doing? She go come back, come sit down, remove once he enter house, woman don't bend down, remove shoe, beggar. Men they so they like children. If you don't know how to pamper your own man, he no go stay with you. If you don't know how to pamper your man, he no go fit take care of you. Ma tell you, as you don't turn John Cena for house, you don't turn champion for house. Your man don't work out leave you, go find woman because you na man you be. I dey tell you this thing, a man you don't be like this. Now man you be, you not be woman. So your husband go leave you, go find woman with the outside. What did they do una self? What did they do now? What did they do us? In fact, even me I join for the matter. What did they do us self? We be say we know they carry wisdom sit down for marriage. You don't know say when man and woman they don't stay together for too long, they tired. And when they come bring frustration put inside, every time you're supposed to they bring what you go bring when a relationship they okay. But think of new thing we go do, we go bring when a relationship they okay. No be to they compete with man. You go say, man do this, you don't shout, man do that, you don't shout. You did like this, the whole world now them know what thing they happen with you inside your marriage. You don't disgrace your husband everywhere with your mouth. You know if you see I'm like anything. How you want make people see I'm like something? A lot of them say husband know they come out, husband know they pet you, husband know they take care of you. Now your attitude. It could make woman they humble. It could make you humble. As a wife, you no go dey flex shoulders with your husband. If you dey flex shoulder with your husband, he no go take her. Me, I know say some men get their own problem. I know say they get their scoring. Anyhow way you do, you know they belleful them. But the word of God says wisdom is profitable to direct. The word of God says that a wife is supposed to submit to the husband. When man just say you know they agree submit again, wahala don't start. Wahala don't start, and that wahala no dey end. I might tell you, men 80% of their solution na to find another woman. Na very few men dey stay say anyhow wey e be we go digger am together. 80% of their solution na to find another woman. When dem find dis woman, una I don see women wey don comot for marriage, dey don dey frustrated, don feel alone. That is because you no recognize the cap wey dat man bin cover for your head. You no recognize the shield wey dat man bin give you. You don say that they don push you comot, you don dey frustrated, go dey run the man down, talk rubbish. Anything wey you talk, man don go, e don go. Na you lose. Now, if you know say you dey do everything you suppose do for your marriage and the man no dey cooperate, you go find way make una talk about am. If the man dey abuse you, the man dey beat you, you go find way wey una talk. If na beating una no gree, you go fit even comot sef. Dat one wahala no dey. But the one wey be say you don take your hand pursue your husband from your house, make you know say na yourself you do o. I no know who dey advise you say make you and your husband dey for competition. You talk one, you talk three. You flex shoulder, you flex shoulder. You say you wan slap you go first hold am for shed. When you dey do that thing, you don agree. You don already agree say na wetin you want like that for relationship. Make you dey behave well o, make una dey try so that marriage go sweet. Man and woman no dey the same, so you no go dey compete with your husband. Thank you so much for this talk wey you listen to. If e help your marriage, I go happy. Abeg make you dey listen, make you like my video, make you subscribe to this channel, make the channel grow, make we dey talk man and woman matter abeg. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. Thank you.